Hi everyone, it's Liam from the Blackpool Honda dealership. I hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2020 Jazz SR. Now, walking around the car, you'll notice that you do get front parking sensors, you get LED daytime running lights, and you do get these brilliant 16-inch alloy, 15-inch alloy wheels as standard. I will go into each and every alloy just so you can get an idea of what condition they are in, and of course, most importantly, what design pattern you do receive on this car in particular. You also get rear parking sensors as standard as well, as you can notice along the bottom of the bumper just there. We've got plenty of space in the boot compartment. We've also got 60-40 split flat folding rear seats, and they do fold flat with the boot floor just here. Walking back around the car again, just showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, you'll notice that you do get the black leather with the grey contrasting cloth. You get Isofix mounting points down at the bottom as well. Jumping inside the car now, you'll notice that you have your brake hold and electric handbrake just there. You've also got your ECON Mode as well. We've got your climate control in the front, as you can see just there. And then we've got your 10-inch display in the middle. This comes with your Bluetooth hands-free, Bluetooth audio, FM, and your DAB radio as well. It does come with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so once you have that system enabled, you can then use your Apple CarPlay Android Auto to use your navigation. So inside it does actually have navigation built in. We've then got your extra storage just here on top of the dashboard. Over to the steering wheel, we've got your volume settings, voice control, track select, and then we've got your return, home, and the bezel in the middle. That does control your infotainment system, your onboard computer. Over on the right, we've got your cruise control, speed limiter, lane keep assist, and distance control. We've then got obviously the buttons in the middle, which cancels the cruise and turns it on and off. We've then got automatic headlights and automatic windscreen wipers. And as you can see, this car has done 10,450 miles. Dumping back outside now, just showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do, of course, require any further information regarding this 2020 Jazz, don't hesitate to get in touch with our dealership, and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time, and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.